Yeah, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking.
In 3 days, I'm leaving to Thailand for 2 weeks with my boyfriend, and I need to pack. First, I want to make myself a cup of coffee because I just came back home from school and I'm so tired. So let's go make an iced coffee and then we'll start packing. Got my iced coffee. Now let's get my suitcase. That's a struggle because he's buried somewhere in my cellar. But yeah, anyways, let's get it. Okay, here's my suitcase. Now I think I'm gonna bring all of the stuff that I want to take with me here to my room and like spread them onto my bed and like, you know, decide what to get or not to get. I knew this was going to be a huge struggle. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 11 dresses for 14 days. I mean, it's not that bad. These are the dresses. I had to pull out 2 of them because they had some stains on them, so I will have to wash these. So let me go throw these into the washer and then we're gonna pack the next part.
You are a stone so bright, they kicked you away.
Okay, so this is all the clothes. Now let's do my bikinis. Yeah, there is a lot of them, but like I don't know how to store these. I have this clothing bag, so I think I'm gonna put all of them there just so it is like its own little section and it's not, you know, just there. So yeah. Okay, so this is everything. My swimwear, socks, undies, and bras. And then there's still some space right here, but I think I'm gonna use this for like makeup and, you know, all of that. Now, let's move on to this side of the suitcase. This is gonna be mainly shoes, electronics, and all of the like shenanigans that are not clothing. So let's do that.
Last night I dreamt we did our laundry together, and we were singing the same song while we folded our clothes. As I recall, you looked like a turtle
I think I packed all of like the stuff that I will need, but I won't use till my departure. You know, I need to use my computer, my camera gear, my makeup, and hygienic stuff, so I will have to pack that like once we're gonna be leaving. But for now, I think we got like the biggest part out of the way. So I think I'm gonna end on that today and I will catch up with you guys some other time. But anyways, peace out for now. Peace out for now, what the fuck? I just ruined it with that. But yeah, anyways, see you later, alligator. Yeah, much nicer. Hi there, it's the next day and you might be wondering why I'm wearing this beautiful robe on top of my sweater, my sweatpants, and fuzzy socks. That's because my house is freaking freezing and the prices are too high, so I would rather freeze than pay. Anyways, I just got back home from school. I changed, obviously. But on the way back home, I stopped in the mall and I got some things that I needed to buy for our trip. So let me give you like a little haul. First few things are 2 books. I was just having such a hard time picking in between all those super good looking books. I really wanted to get some books from Book Talk, you know, some Colleen Hoovers and stuff. But then I saw these 2 and I also saw like some, you know, educational books, and I was like, you know what? All you've been really reading lately have been books from Book Talk. And I think it's time to, you know, read something more educational. So I saw this, Psychology of Money, because as I said, the prices are too high and the money is low. So that's why I got this, but it just looks so good. I also read the little, you know, back thing, and I'm just really excited to read this, okay? Also, I love the cover. It's like, you know, banknotes in the shape of a brain. I don't know. And then the second book is Surrounded by Idiots. That just spoke to me. I saw that and I was like, yep, that's the book for me. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, again, it's like about 4 types of human behavior and how to understand them. And I don't know, I just really want to get better at communication, and I feel like everybody should always try to be better at communicating. So yeah, I'm just excited to read about this. I just now realized that both of them are like psychology books. Yeah. The next thing I got are some tights because I needed some. Thank you. Then I got some pills for vaginal health. Yeah. But yeah, I got these because I'm gonna be swimming in a pool, and I'm also gonna be wearing, you know, wet swimwear, which is not good for the little lady down there. Oh my goodness, that sounds so bad, but whatever. So this is what my doctor said that I should use. It's called gyno caps. I don't know. It's like pills to prevent an infection happening. So got these just in case anything. You know what? I'm gonna move on to the next item. I got some toothbrushes as well, and then I got oh my goodness, my bag is a mess. Sunscreens, okay? I got this. My dog is just not cooperating today. I got a SPF 30 and it's in this like eco-friendly packaging. I don't know, I've never tried it. Also, it's like fall/winter, so like they had such a small section for all the sunscreens, so this was like, I don't know. I just got these ones, and then SPF 50 just for, you know, everything. So yeah, that's my haul. That was interesting. Okay guys, so today we're leaving to Thailand. We need to leave in less than an hour. I finished packing. I also packed my backpack for, you know, that I'm gonna be taking with me to the plane. This is the backpack. It's actually my sister's. I stole it from her, but yeah, I had just like my computer, a book, some money, face mask, a dress that I'm going to change into once we're gonna be in Thailand because, you know, this is too hot. Then I have some normal earbuds because I'm scared that my AirPods won't last for 26 hours. Then I have some hygienic stuff for the plane, a charger, you know, just like the basic things. And then this is my finished, like all packed luggage. Here, all the clothes. Put my tripod into here, and then I put my, you know, swimming towel over it to like protect it. This is my GoPro, and then I put my drone and my makeup bags, the shoes. You already saw this. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm honestly super happy with how it like looks aesthetically. Like it looks so organized, and I'm just, yeah, it makes me so happy. But yeah, this is it, and so yeah, let's go.